Ito, hindi na naman maglalaro.
Plans to stop itong Kalisaan. I'm sure they're aware na. Baka nung first round nagulat sila sa ginawa nitong si Michael Kalisaan.
Na-scout na nila itong si Michael Kalisaan.
Role in this team.
Nakazona ngayon ang San Sebastian. A very effective tactic which they use against Letran sa kanilang huling laban.
And Victor talagang sa ilalim kumakana dito sa ating ng San Sebastian.
Costello also played almost 30 minutes. He logged in 29 minutes pero malaking bagay yung kanyang left-handed layup in the clutch. For 8 score in the NCAA, averaging 16.7 points per game. Jem Bulawan na sinabi mo kanina, Mikey. Siyempre at courtside kasama natin si Siege Tantenko.
Kung hindi nyo napanood yung slam dunk contest, merong tinalunan itong si Jem Bulawan na teammate niya at muntik siyang actually nahulog talaga siya.
Nahulog talaga siya.
Oo,
Napitawan
nahulog
niya yung ring.
on his back. Kaya pare-parehas tayong napaano nun. Pero buti na lang, walang nangyari sa kanya during that slam dunk.
Bitin, eto na naman si David. Pinasa ang bola. Oh! Victor Gijol, get that out of here!
And there's no baby in the game of Victor. Kita mo naman the athleticism level. So I'm sure that's one of the things that he is working on. And I'm sure disiplinado rin naman yan si Ginto.
Taladua knocking down a triple. That's the second triple of the game. Ito na si Alanes. Pinasa. Ayan! He drains it from downtown.
So everyone for San Sebastian. Start pa lang ng third quarter, double. Ano bang pinatato niya at magaya nga? Itong si Victor. Pero si Costello, 5 quick points naman for ng San Sebastian. Hindi masyado nakaka-deliver. Pero ang ganda ng adjustment dito ni Coach Topex.
Speaking of adjustments, Jesper Ayaan.
Nawala ang bola at na-recover ni Costello. Here's the crossover. Costello, no-look pass.
And the fetus
Call this
beast.
guy?
The
What do you
fetus
call this
beast.
guy?
Hindi pa siya baby kasi talagang batang-bata pa. Kita mo naman yung muka. Really. Baba lang nila ng single digit to. It's a whole different ball game.
Sibal knocks it down from beyond the arc. Unang puntos para kay Sibal.
Because remember,
We will see kung makakuha nga niya yung win streak na yun sa game na to.
Para sa San Sebastian. Fabian using the Kalisaan screen. Fabian, what a move!
Exactly what I was saying. Sa ilalim, kukunin nila yung kumpiyansa nila. Don't look now, only down 5 itong San Sebastian.
Costello, huminto. Pinasa kay Ortuste, who lets it fly. My, oh my!
woo! At hindi pa rin makapuntos ang LPU. They are bleeding for points. But finally, Taladua knocks it down from distance.
The place. Kita natin kung makaka-convert sila of that block from Victor.
Alanes for 3!
Nahabol nila ulit. Ang ganda ng adjustments nila nung huli. But the intensity from first to fourth, Anton.